Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use video search in Filmora. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on video search here. And after that, you can just describe the topic here. You can manage here the settings. You can see there's the aspect ratio, duration, music, the voices. And after that you can also have like an inspiration library here, selecting a topic like I don't know, inspirational for example, and you can just press on generate. And now you can just press on generate video, and you will be able to generate it basically. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.